Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install product media, that is PM sample schema in Oracle database 12C Enterprise Edition. Okay. So you can see that I already downloaded Oracle database sample schemas for 12.2.0.1 and I have extracted the content already. So this is the zip file, okay, db sample schemas zip file for 12.2.0.1. So I extracted the content to Oracle home, Oracle database 12c home, demo, schema directory. Okay, so here only I extracted the content. So now we are going to see how to install product media schema. Okay, so it contains lot of images, SQL files, data files. So pm underscore main.sql is the starting point of product media schema. So here you can see that I have replaced the sub underscore cw with the absolute path. Okay, so make sure that you replace the sub underscore cw with the absolute path wherever it is needed. So this is the 1 minute. So this is the data file. So data file also needs to be replaced with absolute path. So please check the data files also, that is dat files. Okay. So make appropriate changes to your SQL files and dat files wherever it is needed. Replace with absolute path. Okay, so pm underscore main.sql is the starting point of the product media. So before proceed the installation, so this is the configuration for tnsnames.ora file. So here I have added the entry for orclpdb pluggable database, which means that I can able to directly log into sqlplus. So I can directly log into orclpdb pluggable database in SQL Plus. So if you have touched the tnsname.ora means make sure that you have restarted the Oracle Listener Service. Okay, so Oracle Listener Service, make sure that you have restarted the Oracle Listener Service. So if you have restarted the Oracle Listener Service, only tnsnames.ora configuration will take into effect. Okay, so now let me log into SQL Plus sysd orclpdb as sysdba. Okay, so I am logging to orclpdb pluggable database as a DBA. So now I am going to execute the product media main.sql file pm underscore main. Okay. Okay, provide the password for a PM database. Table space will be users. Temporary table space will be temp. Password for OE, that is we need order entry schema should be installed by default in order to install PM. Next, provide the password for sys. Provide the directory path for data files and provide the directory path for log files. Next, provide the working directory path. Next, provide the connect string. So here I am giving as orclpdb. Localhost :1521/orclpdb also is the correct one. Okay. So product media schema installation is successful. So I did not see any error. Okay, so everything is fine. So user is created, grants succeeded. So everything is fine. Okay. So now I am going to verify by logging into SQL Developer as a PM user. Yes, I can able to connect to pluggable database as a PM user. Also, I can able to browse the database objects and records. Yes. Okay, so everything is fine. So let me try to log in SQL Plus. PM at orclpdb. Okay, provide the password for PM. Yes, I can able to log into SQL Plus also. So finally, product media sample schema installation in Oracle database 12c enterprise edition is successful. Make sure that you have replaced sub underscore CWD string with absolute path wherever it is not necessary. Okay. So that will lead to the successful installation of product media sample schema.